Hi, Dr. Q and Joey Lynn here from Star Nursery. Joey Lynn, can you believe it's almost Christmas?
No, this year has gone by too fast, and soon we're going to have Christmas trees arriving. So let's talk a little bit about how they're grown and where they come from.
Our tree suppliers are located in the Pacific Northwest, where the three basic types of trees that we carry grow best. The cool, damp climate of northern Oregon and southern Washington is perfect for growing these varieties. They are grown on tree farms that are in business with the sole function of planting, cultivating, and then harvesting trees for the holidays.
This process is very similar to any other farm. There is a continual rotation of plants from seedlings to ready for the season trees. This cycle can take as many as 5 to 7 years of fertilizing and manicuring to form the perfect tree. During this time, the trees are doing their part to reduce carbon dioxide and produce oxygen for our environment.
The plantation-grown sheared Douglas fir is our most popular tree because of its low cost and fragrant fir smell. For a more formal-looking tree, the noble fir is a favorite because of its stiffer branches and short, plump needles that offer a consistent color throughout the whole tree. And for more of a two-tone look, check out the Nordman fir with its flatter needle that is a dark green on the top side and a gray silver color on the underside. These trees are harvested, packed on trucks, and shipped to tree lots throughout the country. As you can see, our growers have trees available in sizes from small tabletops to large specimens like these.
Our trees will start arriving the week of Thanksgiving, and fresh cut trees will arrive for as long as supplies last. Because of the limited supply of some varieties or sizes this year, you should shop early for the best selection. When the holidays are over and you're finished with your tree, don't just throw it away, recycle it. If trees are left at the curbside for regular trash pickup, they will be taken to the landfill and take up valuable space. It truly can be an example of recycling of life if they are returned to mulch to be used in one of our community parks or schools. The most important thing to remember is that you should not feel guilty about getting a cut tree for the holidays.
You are not contributing to the cutting down of forest trees. These trees were specifically grown to be holiday trees for you and your family to enjoy. Watch for our holiday specials at starnursery.com or on our free app. And don't forget, we make house calls. Stop by your nearest Star Nursery location or call 702-771-7827 to make an appointment. Star Nursery, your garden's partner for every bloomin' thing.
I'm Joey Lynn.
And I'm Dr. Q, and we'll see you again next week.